So this is the entrance to my first little building here. Just added a little bit of detail to the outside of the building because without it, it was a little just too boring. Wherever I put these lights up here, I also added a light source in the lights so that it actually did something other than just look cool. This room was a little too small to really do anything like tables or chairs, so I just did some shelving and put some rocks and like one of these little statues up there. I also added a lamp up top that I put another light source in. I think that's it for this room. I also did a staircase in this room. This just leads up to the first hallway. There's not much special about it. Here's our second room. I made the lighting in this room red. Added a couple couches as well as like a table in the middle, another lamp. And then this is one of my favorite hallways. I just did like the water on the walls and stuff. And then instead of doing an incline or decline with ramp or stairs, I decided to do a drop down, which I thought was kind of fun. You just run through here, drop down, this kind of thing. And then these last three rooms are probably my favorite. There's this one, which is kind of like a dining hall type area. Reminded me of something like a sci-fi movie, like they were in space kind of thing. And I also added collision to all these objects to make sure you can just run through everything. I forgot to show you that. So yeah, there's that. And then this is one of my final rooms. I just grabbed another random asset because I thought it looked cool, and instead of putting a material on it, I actually decided to use the texture map for the chairs because I thought it looked cooler. And I did the particle effect of smoke under it and just added a couple more plants and scaled them up. I was having trouble with the starter content because there's not many models to go from, so you kind of just have to use the same stuff over and over again and make them different sizes. Here's the ramp hallway that we had to include in the project. So yeah, go up here, and then also the cylinder room that was required with the project. And I wanted to model this last cylinder room kind of like an office. And so that's my 5 rooms. Oops.